This is an instructional video for the use of the Bosch BH2770VCD Brute Turbo breaker hammer with Deluxe cart. Read all safety warnings and all instructions in the operation and safety instructions available on BoschTools.com or refer to materials provided at the time of rental. Always be sure to wear the proper protective equipment when operating the unit. This includes eye protection, dust mask, safety shoes, and hearing protection. Always make sure your work area is clean and well lit. Disconnect the plug from the power source before making any adjustments, changing accessories, or storing power tools. BH2770VCD Brute Turbo breaker hammer with Deluxe cart. Intended use. The Bosch BH2770VCD Brute Turbo is a powerful demolition hammer that provides an efficient means of demolishing concrete and masonry. Good for heavy-duty demolition jobs at or near floor level. This hammer accepts standard air steel and internal locking steel accessories. The cart is used to transport the Brute Turbo. Hammer hauler. Ensure that the breaker hammer is fully engaged onto the foot peg of the hammer hauler when the hauler is used to transport product. Always be sure that the hammer is secured to the hauler using the strap by attaching it to each of the side brackets. Make sure to secure the power cord around the top handle of the hauler. Before transporting the breaker hammer, always be sure the bits are secured in the appropriate bit accessory holders. With the breaker hammer and bits or load secured, grasp the handle and slowly tilt the hauler backwards until it reaches a comfortable angle to be pushed on the wheels. Upon reaching the location, slowly rotate the hauler to rest on the footplate. Make sure that the cart is placed on a solid, flat, level surface. Please note, the hauler is only for use with our hammer and accessories and not to be used as a hand truck or other loads. There are two styles of hammer steel accessories, standard air steel and internal locking steel, with each locked in place differently. Installing accessories. To use a standard air steel accessory, lower the tool retainer lever all the way down and around the bottom, and then raise the lever all the way up to the opposite side. To lock the accessory, insert air steel up to the striker and lower the retainer lever around the shank below the accessory collar. To use a Bosch internal locking steel accessory, lower tool retainer lever until you can slide the internal locking steel up to the striker. Note, notch on internal locking steel should always face toward the retainer lever. To lock, raise the tool retainer lever all the way up. Removing accessories. To remove an accessory, reverse the previous directions. Note that accessories may be hot after use. Avoid contact with skin and use proper protective gloves or cloth to remove. Paddle on-off switch. The paddle switch enables the operator to control the switch functions of the on-off. To switch a tool on, squeeze and hold the paddle lever. To switch a tool off, release pressure on the paddle lever. The switch is spring-loaded and will return automatically. Always use both hands for maximum control. Tool tips. Do not break into existing walls or other blind areas where electrical wiring may exist and/or gas or water pipes may be hidden. Do not use dull or damaged bits and accessories. Avoid no-load running of the tool. No load or empty blows is the most damaging factor to any impact hammer. Always be sure to use dust collection. For selection of dust collection systems and operating instructions, see the operating safety instructions for dust extraction attachments for hammers and hammer drills included with your tool or with dust extraction attachment.